Hello viewers, welcome to Physics tutorial. This is Saurav and today we will understand about Wein-Bridge oscillator. In the lecture series of oscillator, we have discussed about the principal working and its uses of oscillator. We have also discussed about its Barkhausen criterion and uh, about RC phase shift oscillator. Today in the Wein-Bridge oscillator, we will discuss about the principal working, circuit diagram, frequency derivation and its uses. So, Wein-Bridge oscillator is a harmonic oscillator which produces sinusoidal signal. It generates sine wave in the range of audio frequency, and we know the range of audio frequency is 5 Hz to 1 MHz. So, Wein-Bridge oscillator is a harmonic oscillator and it produces sinusoidal signal. It generates sine wave in the range of audio frequency. And we know the range of audio frequency is 5 Hz to 1 MHz. Now let's go through its circuit diagram. So here this is the circuit diagram of Wein-Bridge oscillator. It consists of an op-amp and an RC feedback circuit. So the output of op-amp is taken as the input of RC bridge network and the output of RC bridge network is taken as the input of operational amplifier. This is so we can see in the feedback part of circuit there are two RC networks. One is in series combination and the other is in parallel combination. Here R3 and R4 are the another part of feedback circuit. So to understand the operation of Wein-Bridge oscillator, we redraw this circuit in another way. So here we redraw the circuit diagram. Here the input of op-amp is connected to the output of the RC networks and the output of op-amp is connected to the another part of feedback circuit. We know that the input thermal noise is act as the input of oscillator. So the input, that is R4, is grounded. So the Wein-Bridge oscillator works in non-inverting mode. Now let's go through its derivation. To understand the derivation of Wein-Bridge oscillator, we take the part of feedback circuit of RC network. So here this is the derivation of frequency of Wein-Bridge oscillator. Here we take the feedback part of RC networks. Here this is the series combination and this is parallel combination. Here we take the resistance R1 and R2 equal to R and C1 equal to C2 equal to C. We know the reactance of capacitor is Xc equal to 1 by 2 pi Fc. When F is low, then the reactance of the capacitor will be high, so it will be open circuit. So when it will be open circuit, there no any low frequency passes through this circuit, and when F is high, the reactance of the capacitor will be high. So when the reactance of capacitor high, there is no any passing of high frequency through the circuit, so there is an intermediate frequency passing through the through this circuit, known as resonating frequency. To derive the frequency of Wien bridge oscillator, first of all we calculate the value of beta. We know the beta, the value of beta is equal to Vf by V naught, that is output by input. We can write the value of Vf by using voltage divider at the circuit. Here we use the voltage divider called Z1 and here Z2. So Vf will be Z2 plus Z1, Z2 by Z1 plus Z2 into V naught, and this V naught in denominator will be here. So here V naught will be cancelled. So we get the value of beta Z2 by Z1 plus Z2. We can write the value of Z2, that is R parallel C. So R parallel 1 by SC in resistor form. Now in this this is in series combination, so the value of Z1 will be R plus 1 by SC, and the value of Z2 will be as above. Here the value of beta R parallel 1 by SC, we can write multiplication by addition here. So R into 1 by SC will be R by SC by addition R plus 1 by SC, and here the value of Z1 will be same. Here we have written, and the value of R parallel 1 by SC have written as above. Now beta, we can write the value of beta here. We can take the LCM. Here the SC will be cancelled, so we get R by RSC plus 1, and this RSC plus 1 by SC plus here the same calculation. Now we take the LCM of SC and RSC plus 1, then it will be RSC plus 1 whole square of RSC plus 1 plus RSC by RSC plus 1 into SC. We can write the denominator term RSC plus 1 into SC here. Here we have written the denominator term RSC plus 1 into SC here. So RSC plus 1 will be cancelled here. Then it will be RSC plus 1 whole square of RSC plus 1 plus RSC. Here this is the simple calculation only. We know the formula of A whole square of A plus B. Here we RS square S square C square plus 2 RSC plus 1 plus RSC. Then 2 RSC plus RSC will be 3 RSC here. Then we get the value of beta. Here we have put the value of S, that is j omega. So this is the value of beta, and we know that the A into beta is equal to 1 for the sustained oscillation. So here we put the value of beta. We know that the A into beta is equal to 1, so this is real. but in the value of beta there are some imaginary terms, one in numerator part and one in denominator part. So to cut these imaginary terms, we have to equals these real terms to 0. So minus r square omega square c square plus 1 equal to 0 we can solve here, and the value of omega will be 1 by rc. We can write the omega in frequency term 2 pi f, so we can write the frequency is f equal to 2 pi rc. So this is the frequency of Wien bridge oscillator. Here we have equals 2 terms to 0, then we have remaining terms a into r j omega c and 3r j omega c. Here r j omega c, r j omega c will be cancelled, then the value of a will be 3. We put the value of a here, then we get the value of beta. So this is the value of beta we have calculated, and the frequency of Wien bridge oscillator. Now let's go through its uses. So here the uses of Wien bridge oscillator. So Wien bridge oscillator is used in commercial audio generator. So we can use in audio generator, and it can be used for low frequency application. Here are some advantages and disadvantages. The first is it gives constant output, and the total gain is high due to use of operational amplifier. When we use operational amplifier in Wien bridge oscillator, the total gain will be high. The frequency of oscillation can be easily changed using potentiometer. So by using potentiometer, the frequency of oscillation can be changed. Here the disadvantage of Wien bridge oscillator is it cannot produce high frequency.